Welcome, Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarpura. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is about cranial and spinal nerves. Zoology का है class 11th. On the basis of their origin, the following two types of nerves have been recognized. Number one, cranial nerves. The nerves connected to the brain are called cranial nerves. And the mammals, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves which are designated by serial number 1 to 12, and each one has also a specific name. जो cranial nerves है connected to the brain और called cranial nerves. जो mammals हैं जो अपने बच्चों को नरिश करते हैं खुद, memory glands are present. There are 12 pairs of, यानी में 12 pair cranial nerves आसान which are designated by serial number 1 to 12. हम designate करने 1 to 12 and each one is also a specific name. पन्निस nervous पन नाव. आप आगे चल के इसको पढ़ेंगे. Number 2, spinal nerves. The nerves connected with the spinal cord is called spinal nerves. जो nerves connected spinal cord के साथ होते हैं इनको spinal nerves कहा जाता है. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. तो spinal nerves 31 pair हैं. And according to the region of their attachment in the spinal cord, they are known as अलग नाव cervical nerve, thoracic nerves, lumbar nerves, sacral nerves, coccygeal nerves. ये अलग अलग पन नाव अक्तरन पेयर spinal nerves है. तो अजो किस हमारा टॉपिक करो उस पकनाओ cranial nerves. Cranial nerves topic पकनाओ इस पे. The nerves that arise from the brain are called cranial nerves. Most of their nerves are connected to the sense organs or muscles in the head. अक्सर छुम आसान sense organs सदन, sense organs or muscles in the head. Nerves cranial आसान. But some have branches which extended down for the lower abdominal region. Some cranial nerves are sensory, whereas others are mixed. In mammals, 20 pairs of cranial nerves are found. They are listed in the table. And इसमें किताब में एक टेबल दिया हुआ है. And in brief account of these nerves and provide below. तो इसके यानी some सेंस ऑर्गन्स से यहाँ नीचे एब्डोमिनल की तरफ से कुछ जाते हैं, where other mixed in the lower abdominal region. The first cranial nerve है, इसको olfactory nerve कहा जाता है. First cranial nerve और olfactory nerve. It is purely sensory nerve. It is purely sensory. It is sense organs से connected, bringing impulse of visual sensation for retina to the brain. Cum क्या image? It is bringing impulse from visual sensation. When अचन से तालुक था visual sensation from retina to brain. Retina to brain. Use retina पे image as बना, ये brain as कौन आना. Use first cranial nerve. आज olfactory nerve बना. Olfactory means से गो ये थावा तेरे sensations कौन visuals कौन यानी use visual च आज से चीता हो थावा. Number second cranial nerve use number second cranial nerve आज बना optic nerve. Optic nerve second बना optic nerve. It also almost wholly sensory, bringing impulse of visual sensation from retina to the brain. ये optic माने को दिया है. ये light से जी था तालुक. It also almost wholly sensory, bringing impulse from visual sensation from retina to the brain. ये retina to brain. Retina to brain as कौन सी impulse पगनावा. Empathy third cranial nerve oculomotor. जो stream cranial nerve च आचवना oculomotor. यानी अलग अलग वो तह में अमिक नाव आसन अलग अलग जो गोड़ो क्रेनियल नर्व अत वन अल्फैक्टरी बिकिस वन ऑप्टिक और इस थर्ड अत वन ओक्यूलोमोटरी मोटरी cranial nerve CN था cranial nerve. The name indicates it is purely motor nerve containing somatic motor and phycomyopathic fibers. It originated from the floor of the midbrain close to the median linear axon, supplies some extinct muscles of the eye, smooth muscles of the pupil, and ciliary body of the eye, and control the movement of the eyeball. You see, movement is kara. You see, oculomotor use cranial nerve. You see, talu thama. Name indicated kara motor nerve containing the somatic motor. That parasympathetic fibers. It originated from the floor of the midbrain. Midbrain patch floor of the midbrain. Allah Taala sun nizam kya che? Close to the medulla line of its axon, supplies some extinct muscles of the eye, smooth muscles of the pupil, and the ciliary body of the eye, and control the movement of the eyeball. You should control movement of eyeball. Allah Taala sun nizam che agar na eyeball आशे एवं कंट्रोल इमेज मूवमेंट करने के तेल ऐसे कंप्लीटली ऐसे रोजा हरकत करें या ऐसे रोजा कंप्लीटली फेरन मगर ये ओकुलोमेट्री से क्रेनियल नर्व यानी रुकावान इमेज हरकत जब कोई फेरन आसिस तप फेरान और पत रुकावान नत रोज ये कंप्लीट आई बाल मज रोज कंप्लीट कर हरकत फ्लोर ऑफ द मिड ब्रेन क्लोज द मीडियन लाइन ऑफ दिस एक्सॉन सप्लाई द extinct muscles of the eye, smooth muscle of the pupil, the ciliary body of the eye, and control the movement of the eyeball. But to tourim, in a trim, Trishum Hala study Thamatalo. Tourim used to cranial nerve, Osmana tricular nerve. Tricular nerve. Tricular nerve. TROCHLER. It is also purely motor nerve. It purely motor nerve. Thorim is purely motor nerve. And it has and arises from the floor of the midbrain. It supplies the superior oblique muscle of the eyeball and control the rotation of the eyeball. Which movement. Trim movement is the ferrum. That's kun savushun, khur kun savushun, her kun savushun, bon kun savushun. You see tricular, you see karakon. Which is superior oblique muscle of the eyeball and control the rotation of the eyeball. You see rotation you should control kara. For example, khod kun ash wushun, amis kaz kalas okun khod kun ash thawan phirit. Is kalas okni thawan phirit. Control of kara. Yes thorim cranial nerve che. It is motor nerve arises from the floor of the midbrain. It supplies the superior oblique muscle of the eyeball and control the rotation of the eyeball. Rotation of the eyeball. Rotation of the eyeball. Image rotation used to after control kara. Or temperature fifth cranial nerve. Trigeminal nerve. Astana trigeminal nerve. Police mishwana. Trigeminal nerve. It is mixed nerve. It is mixed. Mixed. It is mixed nerve. The motor fibers which supply the muscle of mastication arise from the ventral surface of the pons, while the sensory fibers bring sensory information, including that of pain from face, mouth cavity, and conjunctiva. Chisamjun. Just fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve, trigeminal nerve. It is mixed nerve. She mixed nerve. Yet when a poismus pairs when a mixed nerve, the motor fibers which supply the muscle of mastication arise from the ventral surface of the pons. Mastication arises from the ventral surface of the pons. Brainocus side pons, whereas the sensory fibers bring sensory information. Yum zan sensory fibers at much sensory information ana, including date of pain, kun saat as pain, darad as, which petashu mana read from the face, mouth cavity and conjunctiva. Mouth cavity mas as dandan वगैरह, pain as dandan as dag, यहाँ बच्चेस mas as kan सारो वगैरह. ये सोरी चीज़ trigeminal जो नर्व च, पोंचम पेयर, ये च image pulse आना to the brain, phases produce phase from phase या mouth cavity and conjunctiva. आत्मा जम जन के problem आसन सारो वगैरह sadness ये सोरी कराएं brain स्ताय वातना वा इमोकम pulse. पाँच second cranial nerve जो second च आठ मना facial 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 cranial nerve. It is mixed nerve containing a sensory, parasympathetic and somatic motor fibers. The somatic motor fibers prominence from the sides of the bones and supply of the muscles of facial expression. Of facial expression, that is जो सेकस्ट है, सॉरी जो सेकस्ट है, सेकस्टेशन फैशल के बल्कि सेकस्ट जो सेकस्ट है abducens abduncens cens abducens. Now it also purely motor. Sheem to motor nerve. Sheem to facial camp, balki abundance nerve. It also purely motor nerve which arises from the pons close the middle of line of the supply of extinct muscle of the eye. Each eye muscle se thavan taluk. It also purely motor which nerve arises from the pons close to the motor fiber, the middle line, to supply the extinct muscle of the eye. Supply the extinct muscle of the eye. Use eye muscle ch, image extinct supply. Im nerve zari gasa use second type of cranial nerve. And pat seventh cranial nerve yat use kuna facial nerve. Byak eighth cranial nerve, auditory nerve. Ninth cranial nerve, glossophageal nerve. 10th cranial nerve, vagus nerve. 11th pair used to spinal sensory nerve, and 12th pair used to, that is cranial nerve, hypoglossal nerve. Be pair in a shen parent time as per pair for as cranial nerve. Nakas shas in biggest videos must what you pull as olfactory is an ocean set taluk town, optic each ocean set town taluk, oculomotor nerve each ocean set town, tricular nerve, tricular nerve, purely motor nerve which ocean set town, fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve, second cranial nerve, abducens nerve, seventh cranial nerve, facial nerve, in a ship makamal nerve as shan with the cranial nerve mudaka. Use next video to mokas diagram the or base image using assignment to mokas using next as red material used to put it secure. So as inshallah big videos no or put this back video inshallah after Sunday. So as baki 7th 8th 9th cranial nerve kat kara kam as video subject. Thank you.